just came from the post office and I'm super excited to open this box on the channel. So that's what we're gonna do. Top of the morning, evening, night or day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Well Prepared Men, and today we are reviewing a watch so cool that originally this watch cost 250 euros to the first owner, but I like buying things secondhand because people don't want them anymore. Anyway, this is it. We're gonna unbox this product here on the channel and I hope you enjoy it. So on that note, let's get started with the fun part. Opening these boxes gives me so much pleasure, especially when I know that someone wrapped it well. It makes me work for it, you know what I mean? Anyway, this is an opening into this fortress. Oh my god, I feel like the seller put so much sellotape around it, it's crazy. Anyway, here on the top, we can already see it. It's the mighty Seiko logo, check this out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm normally a big fan of vintage watches, and this is not it. This is a brand new watch. The way I see it, this watch falls under the category of secondhand shit. In my next video, we'll discuss this gorgeous alternative for the Tissot PRX made by Seiko 5. As this watch falls under the category of new secondhand shit. That's the best way I can explain it. As you guys can see, it's still in the box and it's got that, it's got that brand new smell. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? I was not ready for that. I thought we were gonna see the watch. What have we got here? So we got the model of the watch here is the SNXL72 and it costs 240 euros from Seiko, Germany. I bought this product online for 150, so I made a good deal here. I feel like they put a lot of effort into making this a pleasant unboxing experience. I like it. Okay, so this is the watch. Oh, I love it. I freaking love it. It looks beautiful. So as you guys can see, it's a beautiful watch. Right guys, so this is what the watch looks like. It comes in this nice little pillow here. And I'll give you a close-up. Hopefully the camera is focusing. I really like the back being open because we can see the movement of the watch. And this is an automatic watch, so it's really nice. There we go. Straight away, the things I don't really like about this watch is the fact that the bracelet doesn't match the texture here. So we've got a brushed bracelet with a gold case that is shiny, and I don't think that is really appealing to my eye. And I just realized I have to get the watch adjusted. The watchmaker. Now that I've adjusted the watch to size, ladies and gentlemen, I freaking love it. It suits my skin so well. I really like watches that have an open case back because sometimes I find myself staring at the back, not even the front. I just spend some time looking at the back and enjoying the inner workings, which I got no clue what they are. It's inspired me more to actually look at the movement and just see everything, how it's put together. Check how smooth the seconds marker moves on this watch. I really love automatic watches for this reason. It just makes time feel so much more smoother than quartz watches. Quartz watches feel like Minecraft, while this feels like GTA. Look at that. I just took a shower and the watch, as you can see, is still ticking, so I'm well happy about that. I feel like it's a well-built watch and totally worth the price. The dial looks very beautiful. It's got these gold squares outlined here. I don't know if you can see that. And it just makes the whole dial look a lot more elegant, in my opinion. Also, it's a day-date watch. They give you more functionality than just time. Also, we can see the logo over here. It's raised from the dial. I think that's a really nice touch. The markers are as well, the hour markers. And they got a loom. As you guys can see over there, we got these little circles here, which are the loom. Guys, I just gotta say the loom is really nice. Look at this. I apologize for the shakiness of this video, but I'm doing this one-handed. The bracelet, in my opinion, is really comfortable. And the only thing I don't really like about this watch is the fact that the case is shiny and the bracelet is brushed. I think that doesn't really go well together when it comes to design. It's not a design feature of the watch when it comes to how it performs. So that's really a minor thing. Overall, I'm really satisfied with the movement, with how it looks, and with this crown, really. I really like the fact that the crown is over there. It's a nice touch, but all my watches up until today had the crown over here, or they had no crown. Having the crown here, I think it's a really cool touch. I don't want to get my watch out of rhythm now, but if I was to pop this out, I could literally spin this one-handed like this, and it's actually quite nice. So it ends up being a design feature that I like and a mechanical feature as well. Overall, I'm really happy with the Seiko 5. There we go. I'm using the box to keep my Citizen Datejust. I'm not too sure which model this is. And I showed you guys the watch the wrong way around. This is the watch. It's a beautiful watch, and I'm gonna keep it here in the Seiko 5 box together with the links. I really like this watch, so I'm gonna keep it safe in this box, which hopefully nobody throws away. I need to keep this box safe.